Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I had no intentions of vlogging today, but it is such a beautiful day. It's been a crazy long winter and this week finally it's starting to feel like spring. It's sunny and warm. Say hello. And I thought, you know what, I'll just vlog just random stuff. Andreas is growing and changing every day, doing new things, so I thought why not just capture a few moments. It might just be like a very simple vlog. There's really nothing going on. Andres, what are you doing? The reason I don't vlog, I do have the intention of vlogging like every week, but the reason I don't is because right now my days are so repetitive and kind of like quote-unquote boring, as in it's just the same thing. It's just Andres and I every day. Adriana's in preschool, so you know, we do the same things. I take care of him and then they come home with Demetri. Oh, it's super bright here. And then, you know, it's like the grind, the daily grind, but that is my life right now. So you know what, I think I'm just going to stop judging myself in terms of like my life is too simple and boring to share, and just start capturing these moments, because I know that I'm going to regret not capturing these moments as they grow and change every day. So I'm just gonna capture whatever happens, and if it's repetitive, so be it. That is the true authentic reality of my life right now, and I'm totally cool with it because I cherish these moments as I know they're growing and changing. So that's it. We're gonna just capture whatever happens today, which is simple moments of everyday life. So right now we're heading to the park. He is getting tired, so I'm not sure if we'll actually make it to the playground, but I do want to definitely go out and just catch some sun. So I'll take you along. All right, we're ready to go. Are you cozy in there? Are you enjoying the sunshine? It's not even that hot of a day. It's only like plus 11. But honestly, when you've been cooped up inside in freezing temperatures and mostly just no sun and everything being gray, it's so nice to start getting some sunshine. There's robins everywhere. It's like their season for building their nests, and it's actually a funny story. A couple of years ago, if you were following me on Instagram, you probably saw it, but at our old house, a robin chose the lampshade in front of the house. They chose to build their nest right on top of that, and it was right next to our front door. So I shared that on Instagram, and some people said that whenever birds do that, because I asked on Instagram, like, what do you guys know what the symbolism is, or if it has any meaning? And a couple people said, oh, it symbolizes like new life, and we weren't planning for another baby just yet. So I was like, oh, I don't think so. And then of course then we find out that we're pregnant. You know, it was later, it was like 6 months later or something, but it came true. So yeah, I guess there's truth to that. And yeah, I think we're gonna make it to the playground because he seems to be okay in there. Let me just see. What are you doing? You lost your shoe. Oh, he's eating. Snacks always make us happy, don't they? Do you like it? It's one of his first times. We've been here before, but it was much colder and he was wearing his snowsuit and so tight and uncomfortable. But you know what? He's such a big boy. He barely fits into this one. And he's obviously too small for those ones to like hold on to stuff. But here you barely fit, buddy. You're so big. So while Andreas is napping, I'm gonna do a few things. Hopefully I'll have enough time. So I'm gonna put away these flowers that I got. They're one of my favorite flowers. They're called alströmerias, and they are literally the most long-lasting flowers I've ever found. They will literally last for like 2 weeks, sometimes even longer. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get started on dinner. I'm making lentil salad and grilled octopus, and I will be sharing with you the octopus recipe. I promise you. I've been promising for a while, but I will be sharing it very, very soon. So I'm gonna get started. Just look at how fresh flowers instantly transform the space. I just absolutely love having fresh flowers. It's just such an easy way to add beauty and life to any space. While I was arranging them, I was thinking about letting you know as well that it doesn't have to cost a lot. I get these from Costco. They're $11.99 per bouquet, and like I said, these particular flowers last for a couple weeks, and to me it's just I can't imagine my house without fresh flowers. It just adds, like I said, beauty and life. And especially in the winter months when it's just all gray and dark, I have to have these. Who is that sweet boy? And he's got his first little tooth. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Hi. Look at those lashes. So lunch today is this chicken, veggie, rice, potato soup. My mom actually made it. And it is pretty small already, but he still only has like a tiny little tooth. So I am going to puree it a bit just for, you know, obviously an ease of eating. And then also some cucumbers with some hummus over it. And that's lunch. Mmm, yummy. Do you like it? Is it tasty? Lala made tasty soup. Yum, yum, yum. That is what he does when he's done eating. He starts going a little bit cuckoo. Oh, you want more cucumber? So after his lunch, I also gave him some fruit. I gave him some berries and some grapes. And he's just such a messy eater. This is actually nothing. Like normally, everything is everywhere. He's covered in food. The floor is like covered in food. This is actually not too bad. All right, let's clean you up. So now it's time for him to play. Are you gonna play while mommy cleans up? Alright, so while he's occupied for a few minutes playing here, I'm going to attempt to clean up this mess and do it quickly because Demetri and Adriana will be here very soon, and then I will have to start actually cooking dinner. It's in the process. And actually I forgot to mention, the lentils are cooking and so is the octopus, but I do have a recipe for this lentil salad, so I will link it down below. It's one of my absolute favorites and I make it all the time and it's delicious and super easy to make, so I will link that for you. Now I'm gonna clean up and wash the dishes. One thing Andres is really good at, if he's well slept and well fed and he's in a good mood, he can actually sit and play by himself for, you know, a period of time. So it gives me time to clean up or get started on dinner or vacuum or whatever, do some chores, obviously in the same room so I can watch him. And I just realized we're actually unintentionally matching. Hello, mister. Ow, it's my hair. If I have time, I'd like to make a smoothie. They'll be here pretty soon, Demetri and Adriana. He picks her up after work and after her school, so I want to make a quick smoothie so that when they get home we can all enjoy it together. All right, so what I'm gonna add into the smoothie is pretty much whatever I literally could find. So there's an apple, banana, strawberries, some mixed berries, frozen berries, hello, some mango chunks, golden berries, and even some spinach. So I'm just gonna add some water and blend it. Alright, so here are the smoothies and this will be for Andres' dinner. I'm going to add some yogurt to it. Normally I don't like to give him cow dairy. I normally give him like coconut yogurt, but we're out. So I'm just gonna give him some of this Greek yogurt mixed in with the smoothie, fruit, and one veggie. And yeah, now we're just waiting for the rest of the family to get home. Yummy smoothie. Yummy smoothie, I missed you. Mwah. Hello, polka dots. Hello, polka dots. Mommy, Adriana.
Daddy, mommy, she claps.
Hello.
Baby, take my shoe away.
Smoothie? No, he just misses you, Adriana. He just wants to hug you and touch you.
Baba, Baba. Papa?
Baba. Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Oh, look, hugs. Yeah, we missed Daddy and Adriana, didn't we? Yeah, so sweet. Oh. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Those cheeks. Show me the yoga pose. Let me see. Nice stretch. Oh yeah, downward facing dog, and I don't really know what this pose is called, but I know there's a pose like that in yoga.
Well, lifting one leg.
Yeah, I don't know what that's called, but I'm sure it has a name.
Something with a dog, but
You do that? You gonna jump?
dog relieving himself.
I didn't even think of that. I mean,
Well, that's
for
what I'm
real.
trying to say, babe.
I know, but there's a pose like that for real in yoga. Are you doing Spider-Man to Andreas? Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Ooh, ouchies. Ouchies. Did that hurt your knees?
No,
Ouch. Alright, so dinner's practically ready. Here's the lentil salad, and then the octopus is ready to be put on the barbecue, but Adriana didn't feel like having this, so I made her some kotletkas. I don't know in Russian, I don't really know what they're called in English, so it's like ground chicken and onions and some spices, and just fried on a pan, and that's it. Adriana, you ready to eat? You have a nice little sunny corner there. Which book are you reading?
I don't like that book.
You don't like that one?
No.
Okay, which one do you like?
This one. Two. Cleo cat.
Cleo Cat? Can you show me?
This one too.
Oh, about the mega tiles? You like those two?
Yeah.
Okay.
I touched this one already. I don't like this one.
You don't like it right now? Okay.
I'll make this.
Oh, you can make a diamond out of these. It's a 3D diamond.
I'll make this.
Oh, you made a tower. Hahaha. Which color?
This one. Onion one.
Okay. Well, we're making it together. Can you help me? Here. Can you separate those into like individual pieces? See, there's two inside. Can you separate them?
This one for me.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna build one together. Separate those, please. Stick it over here, please. And then this sticks here. Click. Look at that. We have a 3D diamond.
Make this one. Make this one.
That one, I can create a cube out of that. See? Here you need 6 triangles to make this 3D diamond. See, it tells you how many you need. Like that. And then one on top, right? There you go. It's a cube. This is a cube. The shape is called a cube. See? Ooh, we can see. Alright, you guys, so both babes are in bed, and it's time for Demetri and I to have dinner and then just clean up, do a bit of work, and then sign off for the night as well. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the vlog. It was a beautiful sunset, but I just missed it because we were upstairs, so it's not really focusing on that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs like this one, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Love you. Bye.